how are you doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say thank you. And thank you so much for taking time in subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so you'll get notified on all my video uploads. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Juliana. My channel consists of unboxing, tutorial, review, and get ready with me from time to time. So today's video is one of our video every month, and this is part of my monthly subscription, and this is from Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription. Every month you will receive this beautiful makeup bag, and every month they have new styles. Inside this makeup bag you will receive at least 5 products ranging from skincare, beauty tools, and makeup. So without further delay, let's dig into it. Okay, the first product is the Professional Pearl Primer from Benefits. Oh, I think this is good for 1 or 2 uses. It helps you blur the pores on your skin, and it gives you a very flawless foundation application. This is very tiny. I don't even count this as a luxury sample. Okay, by the way, I love the color of this makeup bag. This month really sold me because of this very gorgeous bag. One of my favorite color, the coral. Then moving on, let's dig into the second product in our box, and this is from Hikari. Okay, this is an eyeshadow from Hikari. This is a shimmer. Oh my goodness, the color is gorgeous. Let's dig into the third item, and this is what's this? This is a lip gloss, if I'm not mistaken. This is from Macy and Mia. Let's do the swatch. Oh my love, this is gorgeous. Let me try this on. This is within my alley. I love the color. It's so nude, it's so coral. So far, I love the item in my bag for this month. So if you are subscribed to Ipsy and you got the same product, please let me know in the comments down below, because girl, this baby here is rocking. Moving on, we are going to have what's this? This is from Pixie. This is the Peach Honey Blush Duo. This is beautiful. I love the shade so far. I am loving the items in my August 2018 Ipsy. The last but not the least in our bag, this is the Black Tea London Classic Serum. I never had the Black Tea London's Classic Serum. I never used this before. I think this is a Korean product. This is an anti-aging serum, and it is made of black tea. And that's it for our Ipsy unboxing for August 2018. If you are considering subscribing to Ipsy, I'm going to put all the links down below, and you can always use my code. Thank you so much. Before you head out, please don't forget to click on subscribe button. I love you guys. Mwah.